Hello. Welcome back to another video. Today we are doing Vauxhall Crossland X clutch replacement. First thing we need to do is remove the wheels both sides. Next we get the WD-40 can out. And lubricate all nuts and bolts. Once the slave sidewinder is removed, we move around to the back of the engine. Take off the bell housing bolts, all 13 mm bolts. And also remove the two starter motor bolts up top. We are also going to take off the two 19 mm lower gearbox bolts. Now we are done underneath, we move to the top deck. Once here we remove airbox and battery. ECU removed from battery and battery holder removed. Unclip all the wires attached to the battery holder. Next up is the airbox to give us even more room. Remove earth strap from gearbox 1 13 mm bolt. We pop the gear selects off the gearbox. And the mounting bolts. Move some wiring out of the way and we can access the two top bell housing bolts. Then back underneath to jack brace the engine. Removing the right side gearbox mount. Back underneath again to get this gearbox out the vehicle. Now the gearbox is out, we can fit the new clutch.